Hop into the 2018 Ford Explorer. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Handsome and rugged, this Explorer delivers solid midsize SUV versatility. You'll tackle every project and adventure with confidence and style, whether you're towing, off-roading, or building road trip memories. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, third-row seat, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, AM/FM stereo, four-wheel disc brakes. Feel confident on every journey when you're behind the wheel of this Explorer. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.